Yes, yes, there is tea bags, there are eggshells, there are leafy vegetables. We add in a compost bin. Then there is garments from your garden as well. That is grass cutting and leaves. Grass cutting and the dried leaves you can add in your compost bin. Sawdust, if you have, these all things are not compulsory, but if you have sawdust near your home, you can exceed it. So you can add sawdust in the compost.
Do you know what sawdust is? When you cut wood, the material that you get from that is sawdust. जब आप लकड़ी को काटते हैं तो उसका जो भूसा होता है, that is your sawdust.
And then you have to add a little bit soil to start up the reaction. Okay, it's EU. I know that it's manure, but you have to add it to start the compost reaction a little bit. Okay, but this is our natural compost.
You can even add your own. It's not just the donkeys, okay?
It's not the cow dung. So yeah, you can. This is our compost which we made by our own. You can have it. This is the finished form. After 60 days, you are having this type of material at your home, and you have a powdery material. This Saad can show you. And you following things you must consider that you must.
You can smell it, you can touch it, but don't try to taste it.
Okay. Following tips should be considered that you should have an aerated wooden box. It's preferable. You can also make a compost in a plastic bag as well, but plastic bag is prohibited as it's not environmental safety at all. So we have taken this wooden box and it's aerated, so that microorganisms can circulate the air and the aeration can be done. After 3 days, you have to add water, a little bit water. You have to sprinkle it so that it cannot be dry. If you put more water, excess of water, it creates mess and insect will come inside this compost. Okay? And you have to cover it with anything. You can cover it with a wooden shade or a plastic bag. And after 60 days at your home, your compost can be prepared. Also, I would like to share that if anyone, manure should be present. If sawdust is not available, it's not hard to fast food. So, eggshells should also be added. If you have a black and white newspaper, so add it in this, not the colored newspaper, no bones should be added. So ये नहीं कि compost बना रहे हैं तो सभी कुछ add करते हैं जितना भी कचरा हो घर का. No plastic bags are allowed, no bones are allowed, only black and white newspaper. In 60 days your compost will be ready and it's to nourish your plant. Okay, thank you. And now we are going for planting. Who loves gardening? Raise your hands.
So how many Malis do we have in this audience? Okay, raise your hands. The girls are not interested in gardening?
Girls are more, I think girls are more.
No, even the boys are there. They're very intelligent, I'm sure.
Okay, what you have grown? Can you raise your hand and share something? What you have grown? Anything? Any ornamental flowers?
Would you like to come forward and tell us? Yeah, share it with your friends.
This, I have a rose flowers and I have lemon trees.
Oh wow, that's very nice.
Very good effort. Now to take.
And could we have one of the boys as well? Come over. Come.
Yes, you have.
I grew a potato.
Oh wow, that's very difficult to grow, the potatoes.
Okay, now I'm telling you how to grow things. Demonstrating you over here. So firstly, how the mixture of soil. Firstly, I would like to tell you about the soil. What kind of a mixture you want in your pot. These are prepared pots in front of you, and I would like to share that this is the soil. These two kind of soil you must have at your. You can have at your home 2 parts of this soil that is called balu matti as well, and 1 part of this manure. जिसे हम ओदरी की खाद भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? Which is, I will not go in details, otherwise you will be more making faces in front of you, and I don't want to see that faces. So you have to add 2 parts. You have to add more the soil, which is well drained, And you know, manure is for conserving water. This is not that much what you are thinking. I can see in everyone's faces. It's very...
Ojri is the stomach of the cow. That's about it. Fine. It's nothing bad.
It's nothing bad. It's not a dung. Okay. These are our pots in front of you, which is a mixture of both the soils. Now today we are sowing 5 types of vegetables and fruit and 1 flowering seed. First of all, we have okra, ladyfinger, bindi. Firstly, before planting the seed, if you see the soil is compact, you must start hoeing in it.
The children who cannot see her, they can look at the LCD. It's all being demonstrated on that. She's got a hoe in her hand.
You start hoeing in it. Hoeing is a procedure to keep your soil aerated. इसमें aeration हो जाए ताकि आपको जो root mass है आपके plants का वो broader हो जाए और उसमें oxygen circulate हो. Okay. Now we have और इसमें the soil should be porous and it should not be compact. Now we have the seeds of okra, ladyfinger, bindi.
How many of you like bindi? Yeah.
Can you see the seeds? It's olive green color, round, and you have to sow it 1 inch deep and 5 inches seed to seed distance. The girls and the boys who are interested in it, please sow the seeds in this season. Now 1 inch deep and 5 inches. Will you remember these distance? Or no, you will forget. It's very simple. 1 inch deep means your finger, this fingertip, 1.
You all do maths, right?
Yes. And 5 inches seed to seed distance, your 5 fingers, the palm. The seed to seed distance should be this. Okay? So anyone know why I am keeping the distance between seed to seed and the depth of the seed? The seed.
Yeah, there's a child out here. Sadia on the left. The child is wearing glasses. Come forward, you can tell us.
Forward and tell us. Yes, come.
Why do we keep the distance?
He has grown potatoes. Yes, the root is partially the correct answer.
Okay.
Very good.
Let's give a big hand. That was very good.
That was very good. I would say that ताकि competition जो है plant to plant जो ना हो और आपका एक plant जो है वो पूरी तरीके से उसकी fruiting आए. Okay. Now the next seeds we have of snake melon. Have you heard the snake melon? Kakri. We call it Urdu kakri, or long melon. We also got, because of the shape we call it long melon. So
That's a very integral part of your salads. We can all try growing kakri at home, and we can even grow bindi and what else?
now you can see
You can look in the LCD, please.
You can see the seed. It's oblong in shape, cream in color, and it's flat, not like a bindi round in shape. So now the distance between the seed to seed is again 5 inches, and we are sowing it at half inch in deep. Why we are sowing half inch deep? Because the seed of okra, ladyfinger, is brown and harder. Remember that any seed which is harder, you have to sow a little bit deep. Any seed which is delicate, you have to just cover it with the soil, not that much deep. Otherwise, it won't sprout. Now the next seed we have. After planting snake, you know we are very lucky that we have a tropical season, so we can grow every vegetable in Karachi at any time and every time. And now we have the seed of hari mirch, chilies. The seed of the chilies you can also harvest